Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how we do a balancing process. Okay, and before we go and learn how to do this, okay, you must know what is the purpose. The purpose of doing balancing process is to find the leftover or the balance of an account. Okay, find the leftover, the balance of an account. Say you have an ALICE account here. The purpose of doing balancing process to it is to find out how much ALICE still owe to us. How much ALICE still owe to us. When you do balancing process to a bank account, you are trying to find out how much money you are left in the bank. When you are doing balancing process to a motor vehicle account, you are trying to find out how much motor vehicles you still have in your business. When you are doing balancing process to a bank loan account, you are trying to find out how much money you still owe the bank. Okay, so I have given you a few steps here, okay, that you can follow, okay, systematically for you to do this balancing process correctly. So I'm going to demo to you on how to do balancing process on these 4 accounts based on the steps here. So begin with ALICE account. Step 1, see total debit or credit is greater. So very obvious, the debit side is greater, right, in the ALICE account. Begin by drawing the lines for the total row first. That means you draw lines like this, they must be on the same level. After that, second step, so you have decided based on first step, debit side is greater. Second step, total it up, 3,000. Third step, copy this total to the other side, which means here. Now do a deduction. What do I mean by that deduction? Take this amount that you did based on the third step. You take this number minus these 2 numbers. They are on top. Then you put the final result in between them. So 3,000 minus 400, you will arrive at 2,600, right? Okay, I'm done with step 4. Now step 5, write balance CD, which stands for balance carry down. Carry down means you have to carry down this amount to the following row. So here write balance CD. So carry down this 2,600 diagonally to the left. Now balance BD, write it here, which stands for balance brought down. Okay, BD stands for brought down. Okay, it's brought down from the earlier row. Okay, so now you have found that ALICE still owe us $2,600. That's how you do balancing process to this account. Okay, next example, the bank account. So do the same thing. Begin by drawing the lines for the total row. They must be on the same level. Now debit side very obviously is bigger. So 400 plus 200 plus 100. That's the second step. You total up the greater side. So 4,300. Copy this total to the other side, which is the third step. Step number 4, take the 4,003 minus 350. You would get 3,950. Number 5, write the balance CD. And then write the balance BD diagonally. Ensure that you bring down this amount. You carry down this amount diagonally. Okay, now I'm done with the balancing process in the bank account. Now, the other 2 accounts, which are something that you may see once in a while, okay, where there's just one side having some entry, the other side is empty. So, for example, the motor vehicle account. So, how should you do the balancing process? It's the same. Just follow the few steps that I've stated at the top left corner there. So, begin by drawing the lines for the total row, must be on the same level. Ensure that they're on the same level. Now, debit side is very obviously greater than the credit side because credit side has nothing, right? So total up, you get 10,000. Copy this total to the other side. Now, is there any number for you to deduct? No, that means you deduct nothing. Deduct nothing, you get back your 10,000. Then go on and write balance CD. Carry it down diagonally, balance BD. Then also carry down this amount, 10,000. That's it. Okay, so it indicates that you are left with $10,000 worth of motor vehicles. Now bank loan. Once again, one side has something, the other side has no entry at all. So the greater side is credit side. Total up the credit side. Copy this total to the other side. Then do deduction. Nothing to deduct. You get back your $20,000. Bring it down diagonally and go on and write balance CD and balance BD. So this indicates that you are left with $20,000 worth of debt that you owe to the bank. Okay, so that's it for this balancing process. Hope you have learned something.